ride in the, I'll let you look at it. You can either ride the front or the back. The front's a little bit better than the back that you can like.
Why?
Because they don't have, you'll have to just look at it. They don't have like doors or anything on it right now.
What do you mean?
You'll see.
Oh, it looks different.
Yeah. Do you want it? I'll show you where you don't have to ride.
Look, it's cheap.
We gotta stop by the store and stuff first. At the store, at the gas station.
Toyota.
And then we're gonna see if we can get maybe the truck.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was one
See
that.
what I'm saying? Just you can either ride in the back. I'll show you. Or you can ride in the front up here with Daddy. If you don't want to ride in the back, I'll ride in the back. You can just sit right here. Or if you can sit back here.
I guess I'll just sit that there.
You want to sit back here?
Yeah.
All right. You just want to sit back here to
People
see
like
the
to
seatbelt?
ride in the back. This is a
gotta-
off-road vehicle.
Yeah. Can
It'll
you
go straight up.
hang on to it?
Yeah, you
take your
just
hat
grab,
off.
What?
Or you
You'll
just
try
step
to
on
take your
this.
hat off because it'll fly off.
Sure.
Yeah.
Just step on the hitch here and climb up.
Or yeah. And then, is there a seatbelt back here you can put on? No. And we didn't try to pay bills that good.
When did
yeah.
we move out of there?
Time?
When did we move out of there?
2006?
6? Oh, yeah. I think that was it.
Yeah.
I think so.
2006, I'm pretty sure, because we
Is
moved
it like
to Nina's.
Was it like early 2006 or?
Yeah, early, I think.
Oh,
Because I had Jalen in when, 2007?
yeah,
Yeah. So I was pregnant with Jalen when we left there.
yeah.
And then we moved to Nana's for a little bit. And then after we moved, we lived at Nana's for a little bit. And then we went to Water's Edge. But
Yeah.
that's where we lived at first. When you come home from the hospital, that's where you come home from. Isn't that cool? You got to see it. I wish you could see it better. But next time we'll drive by there so you can see it better.
Yeah, I
You
don't.
used to run around in that field and just run in circles. You used to ride the 4-wheeler with us when you was a baby. You'd ride the dirt bike with Daddy. There was this guy that, he was probably like that guy's age that was there with that girl.
Mm-hmm.
And I was in the Bigfoot this afternoon.
I miss
And
my
he goes,
ex.
"That's the kind of shirt to wear." And this one I had on, and I was like, "Oh," and I said, he said "Yeah," and he goes, "You want to trade me?" And he had on a t-shirt, and I was like, "Yeah." And then he's like, "How are you doing?" I was like, "Good." But isn't that weird? You want to trade me? I was like,
No. I'd said if I wanted a fag shirt on, I'd have got a shirt like yours. And if I'd have been with you, I'd have headbutted him in the face, tried to knock myself out.
He wouldn't have said that probably. He would have said things to me.
Sometimes they do.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
I will bash it. I'll bash
Is
it.
this Nancy's?
Yeah, this is Nancy's. Nancy.
And it's got plenty of gas because we can stop at the
It's
gas
got a
station.
quarter tank. Quarter tank.
Do we need to put a little bit in there? I'm gonna go to the gas station when we get to Color Pop. Okay. You want to
There
stop?
ain't no Polar Pop gas stations up in
Well,
there.
a fountain drink. You want to stop and get something at the gas station, Quentin?
No.
Oh, I am.
He just wants to get there today.
Did
today.
you have fun in the Jeep?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you liked it a lot?
It was good.
Yeah, I think you would have liked to ride it the whole way there.
Yeah, but
But-
the Jeep wouldn't have liked it.
No, that's a long way for that Jeep to go because the Jeep is not meant to ride fast, 50, 60.
It's made to go up hills and
Yeah.
shit like this. It would have been fun out there to climb around on the property, but Dad would have pitched and cried the whole time.
Yeah, I think it was fun just for a little ride, me and you and Daddy. That was fun. Something you'll never forget. You'll always remember that.
I'll pull my truck up there with Nancy's car. Still, I mean, she'd die. She'd like,
Yeah, don't do that.
I won't. Very
No,
much.
you won't.
I won't very much.
That girl is just kind of like that.
Love you too.
Right.
Does
So,
neither door on this open?
I
Are you
don't know.
kidding me? Hear me, I'm not good.
all right.
Or pull the lever thing, the top one, and then the bottom one. Really?
I don't know.
That's nice.
It's okay. I can unlock it this way.
Look, it's like this one.
Here, I got
doing the
myself
other side. That's weird.
That's right.
This
Where-
thing's a piece of
Is
shit.
it on that side?
I hope so.
This is wet. You know that?
What
oh
is?
my God.
Hey, it looks like a handprint. Hey, it's okay.
No, I just got to look at how wet I am.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay because I don't like to feel it. I knew it was wet. I felt something funny.
It ain't that. Oh, it is right
oh,
there.
it's
a little.
wet. I'm soaking wet.
Leave the window open. It'll probably dry that quick. Is this your hat?
Nope.
Sorry. Damn, I can't get out either. You need out, man?
Get out.
Yeah.
Get him, get out there. See, that's how much I don't
Yeah, sitting up like this. I was like, yep,
We're
I'm
almost
going there.
He was like, yeah.
Yep,
The niche.
that's exactly my first thought was, I'm going to jail. The last piece of box I had it in my mouth. I'm like, yep, that's it. I'm going. But I didn't.
Me and my brother raced with it, bro. I was touching him on the jab. With the bumper. You touched what? Gas mask? Hearing what? And you know what it was? Somebody wet. We can put rainwater. It's just river water. Good work. I'd say that Dana drove and she didn't swim. Bucky?
Get in it.
No.
Wow. It is
Yeah,
I got a
wild.
bounce house, baby.
Yeah, the bounce house went in.
Where am I parking? Behind Toby?
Yeah, somewhere we can.
This house is
There's
changed.
Indy. There's Indy.
Whoa.
Yay! Let's go give her some Levins because she's probably
Look, there's the camper you bought off the Anna.
he's probably dying to get some
Who's
love.
that
Nobody's paying
ticket?
attention to her.
Who's in the
Lindsay.
boat? Lucas?
Let's go get Indy.
Yeah, I forgot to.
Hey, baby.
Indy is back again.
Hey, sugar. Look, she's been in the water, Quentin.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Indy. You remember him? You remember us? Yeah, we're May. We're May. Hi, sugar. Hi.
I think she's up there somewhere. I'm not sure
Hi,
though.
baby. You're so wet.
Hi.
Hi, come in. Come on, sugar. Hi, you want attention? Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, where's May? She's across the street. Is she?
I'm good.
I like your hat. It's cute.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, you're adorable. Handsome, I should say.
Yeah, I always say that too. You're so I'm like, you're so beautiful.
I missed you
Dylan's
guys.
supposed to be coming.
Is he?
With his girlfriend.
What are you doing?
My pants are all wet. The seat I sat in
No,
was
he's
soaking
not.
wet.
That's Quentin.
He's so cute with his hat, or handsome with his hat.
Who's that? I can't see him, guys.
That's Taylor. Oh, that's her dog. Yeah, she's.
Taylor.
Let me show you her puppy. He's so cute. Roo, Roo. Roo. Come here.
Sure.
All right.
Come here, Roo. She.
Hi, sweetie. Come here.
She's sweet. You should see her swim in the lake, you guys. She loves to go
she's
swimming.
so cute.
She will go fetch the ball in the middle
You're
of
so
the
good, girl. Yeah, I might as well get all dirty. Look at me. Come here.
James, come here.
It's okay. Good girl. Yay! You're such a good girl. Yes, I missed you. I missed you.
There's May over there somewhere. Look at the lake right there. You can tell by seeing it.
Yeah, I know. It's it is. It's really nice. There's no like fish. And nothing. Well, other than she said that you could. Okay, well. Yeah.
You gotta jump in.
Well, because it's like.
I should have brought a dirt bike.
Just rolled it right off in there.
I work with your.
Ramped it off in there.
Yeah. Hey, I need that. Bill, look, I need that.
Look at the germ.
Wheels for a 2000 GMC pickup. 660.
What you doing?
Well, I like them ones on that your truck up there, but they're big.
Eight load.
Yeah, they're a 3/4 ton or something. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to
Something,
Take
something
turns
like
with Jenny,
that.
okay?
Only, I'd like to have it in a black. You know what I
Don't
mean?
tell me no what room you
I
are.
know somebody's got some.
You need to go give it back to her.
They don't have to have no cars.
I'm checking the horses.
It's got
Huh? Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm good.
I love you and miss you.
Love you too.
Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's your day?
It's gone. Swimming in Papa's new lake.
Oh wow.
It's really warm.
Mm.
Are you gonna go swimming later?
I will.
Yeah? Alright.
Maybe
Let
later.
me know. I'll swim with you, okay?
Okay.
What do you say? I didn't want to take all of the small ones.
Wait, is she friendly?
Huh? Yeah,
It-
she's friendly.
Oh, hey.
She's hot.
Oh, what's her name?
Rue.
Aru. Nice to meet you.
Oh.
Nice to meet you. Here, Morgan. All I do is dye my hair and my back.
What have you been up to, Quentin?
I've been doing some work
Yeah?
that I have to catch on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Having fun?
Hmm.
You ready to see some fireworks?
I love to. It's okay for you. Damn you, a little chillin'. Better checking on these horsies. Wonder if they're still here. Since I've been gone for a long time. Are the horses still there? I don't see them, but they used to be right there. What happened to them? This is the room I used to go into when I stayed there. Oh no, what happened to the horses? God. Alex and Lexi has died. I told you that. Where are the horses about? I really don't see any. What happened to them? I gotta find that May. If she's here. I do miss Isla though. That. May's around here somewhere. Oh, okay.
She's looking for you.
Where is she?
Back here in the back porch.
Yeah.
I hope May comes.
Oh, she is.
Yeah. Jeremy's parked right there, that white car.
He wants you to park.
What's up, Quentin?
How's it going?
I'll
right.
park Jeremy. He's back there.
Did you hot hat on?
Mm-hmm. I've been wearing my hat since like when I first started. It's been a while, man.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Since you saw Lucas?
Mm.
Yeah.
It has been about 2 or 3 years.
Jamie? Jamie has
There's Granny Carol. Up here on the back porch. She wants to see it. There she is. See her? Sitting right there. Just say hi to her.
Granny Carol.
Hey,
How are you?
look at you. You've all grown up.
Maybe rode
Is that okay? Yes, he
Last
is.
time you saw him?
Yeah.
I haven't seen him for a long time.
Mm.
I have, but I haven't. Just a minute, you know.
Huh?
Just a minute or something.
What is it?
Every now and then.
Yeah.
But he remembers Granny, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I do.
Huh? It's lemonade.
How do you put in the lemonade?
What's the matter, baby? Come here.
Oil? No, it's not even wheel.
Oh wow. Look at her. I gotta see a May still around here. Oh, step on a rock. Didn't recognize that.
Kayla, where are you?
So anally that ton. Is May around here? I really can't tell. She used to run so fast around here. She can tell that she remembers me. It's the old house that she lived in. There's that little sling set.
He was trying. Oh, he really pissed off his members. Because I mean, they couldn't. I'm gonna have the dog. Yeah, she did it. No, because I guess she always seen him taking everybody's car to get their car when they leave, and she came and talked to Dad about it, and Dad just kind of like blew her off. Yeah. So then she came to the afterwards and talked to Eric about it. Oh my God! And he was like, yeah. I figured like I gotta watch her swim. I keep holding her. She was crying. They give me a time.
Yeah.
I can't. That's so fun.
I haven't even seen your kids yet. I think I saw Landon back there. Yeah, I couldn't tell if it was Landon or not.
Lyndon.
Lyndon, yeah.
Yeah, Lyndon. I said Landon.
I don't even know where Ellie is. I guess.
There's the other little boy that used to play with.
There's Owen.
Oh really? How are you?
Owen.
Nice.
You having fun?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
am.
May will probably be over here in a little bit. She probably went home. Oh, did you see where Alex is buried?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Do they have horses still?
Not right now though. Yeah.
If you want to, you can just maybe we can find you, or you could even wear your boxers.
Oh, wonder what happened to the horses.
I know it's over here like a secret. I thought they had horses.
I didn't. They weren't there.
Did you look?
Yeah, I looked,
Oh.
and they weren't there.
I thought your daddy said they had horses. Where's your daddy? Go ask him.
Hey.
Hey.
Here. Here. What? What'd you do? Put an exhaust on. Listen.
I already put bug spray on it. The bugs ain't in there.
What was that? That's Kimberly right there. I think it's her. That's Annie. I think that's over there. Can't believe I'm here again. Look at the garden. I like it.
Hello? Hello?
I don't know what the inside of the house looks like now. Makes sense, right? I really can't tell what that is.
Hey, let's go get these chairs over here, Tom. Huh? Kim, you guys got any water?
They have lemonade, Dad.
Kim, got any water?
Yeah, it's back there in that refrigerator. I'm getting ready to put some in the cooler.
Tom's about ready to have a heat stroke.
Yeah, there's water back there in that refrigerator.
I can't really tell which girls are growing up so far.
Open it and you got it shut right.
That's Garrett right over there. See him? I don't know if you saw him or not. His family's a lot.
It stinks so bad.
Oh, really?
Smell my fingers.
I know. I know.
They smell so horrible.
I know.
Come here, baby. You want some bug spray? You want me to put some bug spray on your legs and your feet? Because if not, the mosquitoes will eat you up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, come here.
Probably.
Everybody's got bug spray. Alright, come here.
Can I do it?
Yeah, if you want, you got spray really good. I'll get the back of your legs. Here, let me get a little bit more for you.
Here, I'll do it.
Hey, Toby,
Get your
can
feet
you and
too.
Dad park up in the yard? Yes. So I can give more people some places to park?
A whole lot.
Just be careful about
Around your ankles. Okay. Let me get your arms.
No, I'll do it.
Let me hold your phone. Okay. Here. Let me get it. You get it on your shirt.
Hold on.
Okay. That should be good.
Yeah, that should be good.
Jeremy, you want some of this on your arms?
Is that you, Quinn, the white car?
It's Jerm.
Oh, that's Morgan. Morgan, you gotta get up in the yard. Park right up here
Got all that
beside
bug
me.
spray on me.
Oh, yeah, we need some of that.
About her. Does she remember?
Take care, Tom.
Next to my car.
I'll tell her in a second if I want to.
Fell back and hit your head on the couch.
Man, Sean's dog got Lyme disease. No, it didn't.
Well, what you doing right now?
The cigar is smoking. I'm not smoking. I don't inhale.
Still counts. I know you want to go swimming, but I don't
You want to get the bounce house?
Not right now.
Yeah.
No. I gotta see what it's like. Look at this. All brown, green, and yellow. Look at this. It looks real good, doesn't it? I can tell if there's a monkey, which is, you know, doing this, like, pump his chest around and just going, ooh, ooh. Yeah, the monkey is doing that. Apparently it is. Yeah, that's definitely them. I'm gonna have to edit all this. Just so you know, I'm not sure if Annalie remembers me or Ava. I know they're shy now. I don't know if that's Ava. I don't know if that's Annalie or not.
Just tell me what grown-ups down there.
I mean, she may change. Not sure.
So you're a communist.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it wasn't fair.
I'm not sure. Looks so different here.
3 years. Yeah.
So good.
I love going to church. It's so fun.
Yeah.
We have a good time. But it's what we went kind of church.
Good.
Yeah, we go to the Lowell General Baptist.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I love it.
I was checking it out. We go to Northview right there.
Yeah, Indianapolis.
Well, that was my 65. City View is where we were doing some worship and ministry stuff.
Yeah.
Northview's,
This room has changed a lot.
right down, remember, Tommy Burton used to live? That real Earl driveway?
That's me right there. I'm gonna take a selfie on that picture.
Anyway, it's right next to 65, like where Access Road House going out there.
Look at all that. Still looks the same though.
Should I put soap in the bathroom?
The bathroom looks different. Yeah, that's me. Those are different. Look at all the choices. Look at all the fireworks. That's her storeroom. It's still the same. And look at that.
You should get one, Dad.
Look at that. This room has changed a lot.
You got your video camera ready?
Oh yeah.
It doesn't look much different when I'm here. It's a little bit. My brother Lucas lives here now.
Oh wow.
Here's Annalie. Annalie.
Hey, get up. Wake up.
She's gotten a whole bunch bigger, right? She was like only a toddler. Annalie. Wake up. Okay, she doesn't want to wake up yet. Well, really.
It's the same.
It's pretty much the same, huh?
It's anyway.
Pretty similar. Just different people in it. Yeah, she's in the chair. She won't wake up. So we're letting
She's sleeping. Oh. I wonder what this May. They don't let her inside today.
I'm not. That's weird though. Maybe. Sorry. No, because they don't have her. She always stays here. She sleeps here. That's a little weird. I'll ask that kid. I was like, "Where's May May?"
I don't know if you remember him or not.
She'd remember.
I think so.
How could you
She
forget?
lied.
Quinn's about the only one that ever even batted an eye at her. Yeah. And he's like, and they fight in the dark. I know, because they're white. You know?
Yeah, that's Annalie in the couch. She's not waking up, that's for sure. So
I wonder where May is. That is weird.
May's usually all the time right here.
Oh, it was so sad when Lexi died May. And
Wow.
both, like, they were so
Wait, Lyndon has. Oh, yeah, Lyndon's right there, sitting in the thing. Danielle does not live here no more. It's Lucas. It's
They didn't have it proved.
I know, that was their...
Annalie's still there. She barely is. I can tell because Annalie's still toddler, so
Oh my god.
she's 5.
What Alice about?
That's that neighbor over there. I used to check if May was around here. Indy. Indy, just stay put. Things are really different around here. The house looks the same, but who knows? The house is so junky. I want to see your... I want to see Daniel's house someday, if I want to. See that land? I already showed you it, but whatever.
I was like, I got Brandon in my car and I was like, get in, Alex. And he let him go. And then
May's 8 years old. She's turning 9 on September.
I was so mad at him. So then
Nobody is supposed to go over there, that's for sure.
yeah.
Look at her.
Oh my god, it's horrible.
I gotta check on some. Look at the fireworks. It looks so good. I was gonna catch a footage, but like, I didn't see them, but they're gonna put more fireworks in here, so look at that. Oh my god. Oh, look at her. That is Annalise so much, and we had a lot of fun time at We Have, so unfortunately we did not get to see May, but like we did see Indy in Row. we will upload the definition. We will see May at maybe sometime this month or so, or we can tell them about it. I like to post on an Annalie picture because Annalie was sleeping. That's adorable. So yeah, May is nowhere to be found today. So that was kind of, kind of worrying us, but thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.